Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be learning exactly how to do the 3-6-9 method for journaling and scripting in a matter of minutes. This might sound easy, but do not discount how powerful it can be. My name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. Every single day I work with clients to get their mindset aligned with their weight loss goals and make the magic happen. If you are interested in working with me, click the links down below in the description box. First thing you need is a notebook or a piece of paper and a pen. Make sure that you are doing this writing pen to paper. It is so important. Okay, so that on your piece of paper, you're going to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, skip a space, and then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip a space, and then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence the 3-6-9 method. So it's broken up into 3 sections: morning, afternoon, night. The more you can pump into your brain your manifestation and believe it to be true, the more successful you're going to be in manifesting. We want to constantly be reminding ourselves that this is what we want. This is what we desire. And act as if you have it now. Preferably, first thing in the morning, you're gonna go to that 1, 2, 3 spot right at the top of your paper, and you are going to write down your manifestation 3 times. Doing this first thing in the morning is key because you wanna do it before you look at your phone, before you check your email, before you call somebody, before you even talk to anybody if it's possible, because you wanna have a clear head, and this sets the tone for your entire day. Don't let anything else come into your positive space. You wanna start off the day on a positive note, and we can control that. Okay, midday. I like to do this during my kids' nap time, which is right now. So what I will do is then go to the next section, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will write my manifestation down 6 times. The same way I wrote it down in the morning, but now I'm reinforcing that in the middle of the day. And then at night, preferably right before you go to bed, you wanna set the tone also for going to sleep and then waking up refreshed. Just remembering, you know, the important thing you're trying to manifest. So right before bed, write your manifestation down, this time 9 times. The key to this exercise and to all journaling and scripting exercises is that you have to believe it. You have to believe in it. You have to imagine that you already have it. Focusing on the lack and focusing on not having it is only going to keep you further and further away from getting to your goal. The more you can close the gap, being aligned with the frequency of having your manifestation, believing you have it now, loving your life now, the faster it will manifest for you. I've used these manifestation techniques and this specific way to journal on all of my weight loss journeys. I've lost over 65 pounds 3 times. So I lost weight for my wedding in 2013. I lost weight after my son a few years ago. And then recently in 2020, I lost weight after I had my daughter. So I've had 2 kids. I'm over 35 years old. And let me tell you, this is the shift that you need to make if you are not getting to your goals in any aspect of life. Specifically, I use this for weight loss, but you can use this for any area of your life, anywhere that you want to manifest something that's not here yet. But the key, you have to focus on having it already. Pretend as if you have it already. You need to use your imagination. This is so important. The journaling, the repetition is the best because it is going to reinforce your brain, and the more you think of something and the more you start believing it, the more you create these beliefs. Our belief system is so ingrained from when we were little, and a lot of the things that we believe from our childhood aren't even true. A belief is just a thought that we continue to tell ourselves over and over again. The good news is you can change your beliefs. And this is how you do it. Okay, so then the second way that you can do the 3-6-9 method for manifestation is the same way. Write your numbers, 1, 2, 3, then 1 through 6, and then 1 through 9. But this time we're gonna switch it up a little bit. You want to, in the morning, write what your manifestation is. In my case, it was a weight loss number. So that's what I'm gonna put right on top in the morning, and I am going to envision and imagine the whole time I'm writing this, that that is where I'm at right now. Even if I'm 100 pounds away, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to manifest, you've got to believe you have it right now. And then midday, I'm going to write it down as if it is coming to me, as if I'm anxiously awaiting it. Not focusing on the lack that it's not here yet, but I'm sitting as if I'm excited to receive it. A great example of how you should feel while doing this part, the midday part, is imagine that you booked your dream vacation. You booked your dream vacation, but it's still 30 days away. You still have to wait for this vacation. You're not gonna doubt that you're going on the vacation. You're just anxiously anticipating this vacation. You're getting so excited. Maybe you've got a countdown going, but you have that excited energy. That's the energy you wanna feel by writing in the second section here. You're anxiously awaiting whatever you're trying to manifest, but you're super excited because it's on its way. And then at night, numbers 1 through 9, you are going to write out your manifestation and we are going to claim it. We are taking it. It is ours. It is magical moments where you just received your manifestation. So in this case, I am my goal weight, and then insert your goal weight here. You know, you have to believe that you have it. How would you feel right at this moment, right now, if you had your manifestation? Think about that for a couple seconds. How would you feel if right now you had your manifestation? How would you feel? What would you do? What would you be thinking? What would you say? Say it out loud. Say it right now. Do you see? I'm like bubbling with excitement. That is how you need to ramp yourself up. Get super excited that your manifestation is here. So those are the two ways that you can use this 3-6-9 method to manifest anything in your life. Like I said, this worked for me for manifesting my weight loss. I'm now maintaining at my weight that I was in high school. I'm 36 years old, had 2 kids. All of those things should be working against me, but they don't. They don't, because my mindset is aligned. My mindset has always been aligned with my end goal. I always knew I could get there. Even though people would tell me to my face, that's not possible, it doesn't matter. What you think and what you believe, your belief system is what matters. You can change that at any time. That is why I'm making these videos. I want to empower you to take back your control over all areas of your life. Mindset is so important. I'm gonna put on the screen here some other mindset videos of mine that you should totally check out after you have watched this one. I hope to see you guys really soon with a new video, but until then, keep on journaling and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.